Hello friends, this is Verna 2014 diesel. This is a top end variant. It has an automatic transmission and a push button start. Let's have a quick walk around of this car. The car has driven only 83,000 kilometers with complete service record. This car has been serviced in Hyundai service center only. The car is exceptionally well maintained and in a spotless condition. It's a beautiful car. Let's check the car from inside. We have a beige color leather interiors inside. Again, beige color leather seat cover. The dashboard is in excellent condition. Thank you.